Module 1. Lecture A. Introduction to the course. Python for Medicine is designed to help you move from basic programming concepts to practical, responsible work with medical data. You'll begin by learning how Python can represent patient labels, measurements, identifiers, and clinical status values using the right data types, meaningful variable names, safe conversions, and readable logic. From the start, the emphasis is on clarity, traceability, and summaries that support professional judgment rather than replace it. Across the course, you'll learn to organize clinical information with lists, tuples, dictionaries, and sets. Clean and validate text, files, dates, CSV, and JSON data. And write reusable functions for calculations such as BMI, medication doses, infusion rates, and temperature conversion. You'll also build rule-based decision support scripts with validation, warnings, and tests. Then analyze small medical datasets using counts, averages, grouping, sorting, filtering, formatted reports, masking, and limited reporting to reduce identifier exposure. By the end, you'll be able to plan and implement a small end-to-end clinical data workflow. Define the goal, validate inputs, clean and transform records, check assumptions, identify missing or implausible values, summarize patterns, and produce concise, privacy-conscious reports. You should feel prepared to read medical data more critically, write Python scripts more safely, and communicate results with appropriate limits, documentation, and confidence. Thank you for your attention. See you all in the next lecture.